Have you ever wondered what everyday objects look like up close? The world we see with our naked eyes is just a tiny fraction of reality. When we zoom in, things get truly bizarre. Ordinary objects, things we use every day, transform into something completely unexpected, even terrifying under the microscope. Let's take a look at some common items and see how they change when viewed at a microscopic level. First up, let's examine a humble piece of paper. To us, it's smooth and flat, a perfect surface for writing or printing. But under a microscope, paper reveals its true nature. It's not a solid sheet, but a chaotic landscape of intertwined fibers. These cellulose fibers, derived from wood pulp, create a rough, uneven surface, riddled with gaps and voids. It's a stark contrast to our perception, a reminder that even the simplest things have hidden complexities. Next, consider a strand of human hair. We comb it, style it, and barely give it a second thought. Microscopically, however, hair is a marvel of biological engineering. The surface appears scaly, like the overlapping tiles of a roof. These scales, called cuticles, are designed to protect the inner structure of the hair. Looking closer, we can see the hair's color comes from pigments within its core, adding another layer of detail to this familiar object. Now let's explore the world of food, starting with a common kitchen staple, table salt. Those perfectly shaped white crystals seem so pure and simple, but under the microscope, salt crystals are revealed as complex geometric structures. They appear crystalline with sharp edges and flat surfaces, a testament to the orderly arrangement of sodium and chloride ions. This beautiful, almost alien appearance transforms the mundane act of seasoning our food. Moving on to something a bit more, well, personal, a toothbrush. We use it twice a day, every day, to keep our mouths clean. But have you ever stopped to think about what's lurking on those bristles? Under a microscope, the bristles are far from clean. Bacteria, food particles, and plaque accumulate, creating a biohazardous landscape. The seemingly harmless toothbrush becomes a breeding ground for microorganisms, reminding us to regularly replace this everyday tool. Finally, let's turn to the ultimate source of all life, water. To the naked eye, it's clear and simple, essential for all living things. But at a microscopic level, water is a bustling world. You'll see bacteria, algae, and various microscopic life forms swimming and interacting with each other. A drop of water, once seen as pure, transforms into a dynamic ecosystem filled with life and movement. This perspective gives a new meaning to the water we drink and use daily. These examples show that the world around us is far more complex and fascinating than we realize. By exploring everyday objects at a microscopic level, we gain a new appreciation for their structure, hidden wonders, and sometimes their hidden dangers.